Hello nomads. Some time back I had installed this entire spark kit. So you see, this is the Engage spark cable kit. So this includes this cable along with this resistor cap, and obviously we have the Iridium spark plugs also as a part of the kit. Now I wanted to talk to you about my experience so far with this Engage spark kit. Now previously what I had done is I had at the time of installing my Powertronic, I had opted for the Iridium spark plugs only without the rest of the components of the kit. But recently, in a wish to get a little more oomph by better combustion of the fuel, I installed the Engage spark kit. So now one quick difference that you need to be mindful of is that when you are buying just the Iridium spark plugs separately without the spark kit, the spark plugs are different as compared to the spark plugs that you get as a part of the kit. When you are opting for the Engage spark kit, the spark plugs that you get on offer are CR8 spark plugs. Otherwise, if you are buying just the Iridium spark plugs without the rest of the kit, those would be CR7 spark plugs. Now there is a crucial difference, and you should not just mix the CR7 plugs with the rest of the componentry of the spark plug kit. I'll tell you the reason behind that. The reason why it's made to work like this is because the complete kit is taking care of a much fuller and complete combustion. As a result, spark plugs won't have the tendency for as much carbon deposition as it would otherwise have when you're running the engine without the complete spark kit. Hey dude, are you recording? I think you are now. I'm just not able to figure out what exactly is wrong with you. Every time that I start recording, you seem to be doing something on your own and stopping my recording. That is not good. So I was talking about the spark kit. I discussed the different experiences that I observed after the installation of the spark kit. The first observation post installation of the spark kit was that my engine started to function in a much cooler manner, all thanks to the CR8 spark plugs, because of which, number one, there's a lot more heat dissipation with those CR8 spark plugs. Secondly, also because the combustion is much more fierce and complete, you are extracting more power out of the same volume of fuel, right? So clean and powerful. That way my engine feels peppier, my engine feels more aggressive, the throttle response has improved, even if not by leaps and bounds, but definitely it has become much more prompt and responsive. So each time that I throttle the engine up, it's ready to race. Yeah, that was the primary goal actually behind installing this spark plug kit. Next, I've also started to notice some upside on the fuel efficiency front. So whereas I was previously extracting about 22 to 24, 25 at the best to a liter, 25 kilometers to a liter, right now I'm at least obtaining 25 kilometers to a liter. I have noticed as much as 27 kilometers if I'm riding gently in the city's stop-go traffic. So I can sort of say that per liter I am seeing an upside of 2 to 3 kilometers, which is not bad if you ask me, right? For a 650cc engine, every liter you are gaining 3 kilometers extra. That's definitely welcome. So although I did not install this particular setup to gain more mileage, but that's like an icing on the cake, right? So mileage wise, I've seen some benefits. In terms of engine heat, I've seen some benefit. The engine is running cooler, which means this will positively impact the longevity of the engine. Also, like I said, the throttle response has improved. The bike accelerates in a much more prompt manner compared to what it used to do before. And apart from that, what else? Apart from that, is there anything else that I'm missing? The engine is running cooler, the engine is running more efficiently, the engine is feeling more prompt now. I think those would be it. Those are the key observations post the installation of the Engage Spark Kit. I think there was one other point which I'm missing out, but it's not occurring to me at this moment. I'll leave it on the comments if I come across that, because when I was preparing for this particular vlog, I had contemplated on the things that I've noticed, and there were 4 key things that I wanted to talk about and share. It's just 3 which I mentioned to you right now. There's one that I'm missing, and I'm not sure which one was that. Acceleration, engine heat, fuel efficiency. What else was there? I'm not able to remember. Anyway, those are the 3 main advantages that I've seen. Okay, alright, so earlier today I had made a shot on Kiewig heated grip that I've installed. That is keeping in mind my ride to Sikkim this year, sometime in the month of October, November. Keeping that in mind, just gearing my motorcycle up just to ease off that journey. We are crossing through Domlur right now. We are about to approach the Domlur flyover in the next couple of minutes. One of the busiest places in the city. A lot of offices are located in and around this region. If you stay in Bangalore, you know what I'm talking about. But if you're not, then just ride with me through Bangalore.